What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Now, as I told people on my video when I was making my shoe rack, which this pallet will be featured in, I will do separate videos showing how to take the pallets apart. Now, this one, I'm going to take that pallet apart only using a hammer, ladies and gentlemen. And this is a little light hammer, so it shall be fun. No power tools needed. All you need is a hammer, a little time, a little aggression, and you can get the job done, okay? So that's what this video is all about. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out, pun intended, the pallet that is, and then that'll be it, okay? Every time I do and take apart a new pallet, I'm gonna make sure I do a new video just for you all. So, boom, that's what this is. Let's have some fun, all right? A little bucket so I can catch my nails, you know, safety first. So just like that, beautiful people, went from the pallet to the planks, okay? Planks done, everything's all done. No splinters in my hand, just like that, man. Just takes a little work. It was probably about 20-25 minutes, to be honest, to get the job done. So that's all it takes. A little persistence, a little aggression, a little force, and you will have the project done only using a hammer. All right, beautiful people, I love you. Until the next pallet demolition. Peace. Wait, that was 3. Peace. All right, beautiful.